Prepare the surface using a wire brush. Surfaces shall be clean and free of dirt, rust, and all other foreign material prior to the application of the primer and wax wrap. Apply PolyGuard Wax Wrap Primer with a gloved hand or brush to all areas that will be wrapped. On wet, sweating, cold, or rusty surfaces, firmly rub and press the primer to displace moisture and ensure adhesion. Extend the primer 3 inches beyond the area where the wrap will be applied for visual inspection. Immediately apply PolyGuard Wax Wrap over the primer. Start with a 100% overlap, then transition to a spiral wrap with a 50% overlap. The minimum recommended overlap is 1 inch. Press out all air pockets and smooth the seams. Leave slack in the wrap while applying it to irregular shapes to ensure full coverage. After wrapping, smooth all seams to ensure proper sealing. Press and mold the wax-based wrap so it fully conforms to the surface and does not bridge over irregular areas.